Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a very popular 2019 Toyota Highlander XLE. Comes in a pearl white, has a 3.5 liter V6, so you get roughly 25 miles a gallon. 8-speed automatic transmission. You have roughly 49,000 miles, so you do have the remaining of the limited powertrain factory warranty. Come inside here and you have a gorgeous black and gray leather two-tone interior, sunroof, built-in navigation, Bluetooth, backup camera. Here's your climate controls, and you have dual climate up front, and you also have rear air conditioning, heated seats. It is an automatic, traction control off, and snow. Come over here, and this is your cruise control settings, your mode, your Bluetooth settings. Here's your menu settings. This is for your adaptive cruise control. It's your gap adjustment, and this is your lane departure alert turn on. You have your automatic start and stop. You can turn it off. You have automatic lights, your hands-free lift gate, power locks and windows and mirrors. You also have heated mirrors. Come over here to the back, and of course you have captain seats in the center row with a little cup holder and stand. Third row, like all Highlanders are, so you can seat 7. And like I said before, it has a hands-free lift gate. Do not have very much room behind the third row, of course, but if you lay the third row down flat, you do have quite a bit of room. This thing will not last long, I promise you. Highlanders are very popular. Toyota is very popular, and we go through a lot of Toyotas. They get traded in and they're gone within the next week, so you're gonna have to act fast. So my number's down in the description, and so is our website and the social media links. If you're not looking for a Highlander, go to our social media links. If you stick around to the end of the video, get all my contact information. We have plenty of inventory. We have a great selection of inventory. I mean, I can't even imagine. It's a lot better than what it was the last 2 years, and it changes all the time. So if you're looking for something, call, text me. It's talk numbers, make a deal. Let's take this thing home. If you're looking at this Highlander, act fast. It will not be here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.